The root canal is a standard treatment that many must undergo at one point or another during their lives. Though the idea of getting the root canal procedure may seem difficult, it's essential to take care of dental problems as soon as they arise so that you do not face more serious issues at a later date. One of the primary elements to be considered when seeking a root canal is the price associated with the process. The video below will look at the prices of root canal treatments in Turkey as well as Europe. Turkey has grown to be a sought-after location for medical tourism in recent years, and there are many tourists visiting the country for a variety of medical procedures, for example, dental treatment. One of the major reasons for this is the lower price of healthcare services in Turkey when compared with other European nations. Treatment for tooth canals in Turkey is usually much less costly than that of the majority of European nations, making it a great choice when you want to reduce the cost of their dental treatments. In Europe, the price of root canal therapy can vary substantially based on the place of origin and dentist. In places like Germany, the UK, Germany, and France, dentistry can be expensive and root canal procedures can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It is an issue for many who seek dental services, which can lead people to consider other alternatives, including traveling to another country to seek treatments. In Turkey, there is a lower cost for root canal therapy is lower generally, with costs ranging between 100 to 500 euros for each tooth. It includes an initial consultation, the actual root canal treatment itself, and the subsequent appointments that could be required. The less expensive cost of dental services in Turkey is a result of low overhead costs, less expenses for labor, and cheaper cost of living in comparison to other European countries. Another aspect which contributes to making Turkey an appealing choice for root canal treatments is the top-quality dental services available across Turkey. A lot of dental practices within Turkey come with the latest techniques and are run by highly knowledgeable and highly skilled dentists. Patients can be assured of the same care and professionalism in Turkey the same way as in Europe and with a fraction of expense. If you are comparing the cost of root canal therapy for root canal treatment in Turkey as well as Europe when comparing costs of root canal treatment, it's important to think about not just costs for the initial procedure, but also the other costs that might occur. These include travel and lodging costs for people who travel to Turkey for treatment in addition to any follow-up treatments that are required following the treatment. All in all, having an appointment for a root canal in Turkey could be an affordable and superior option for patients who want to lower the cost of dental treatments. The country has affordable costs, high-end dental centers, and experienced dentists. Turkey has grown into a sought-after destination for patients who are seeking treatment for their root canals. Before deciding, it is essential to investigate and contrast the prices and the standard of care offered for both Turkey as well as Europe for the best choice for your needs in the field of dental health.